Okay, so we got that, the wall's all gone, as you can see there. It's all gone. I put a piece of plywood down to the floor there because there's a bit of a gap there now, so nobody trips and hurts himself. So we got that, and there's still the lath. There's lath in there, but there's no plaster back in there. But over here, there is a bit of plaster. So I give her a real good vacuuming in that. Like I said, we did have it tested, and they said we're good to go. Looks like there's remnants of an old fire up in there, but we cut the studs off, so they're perfectly fine. They're just scorched, but they're perfectly fine. And it's a non-supporting wall, and so we're good to go there. So we're gonna just strap that out with some 2x4, because as you can see right there, if you see it, there's a number of layers. There's drywall, paneling, lath, and then plaster in there, so it lines up to 1.5 inches, so it's perfect for 2x4 material. So we'll get that all done, and then we're going to use pine, and we're going to build it out so it looks like a false beam, so just like that other beam. Now you probably can't see, but there's another indication that that beam there, it's fake. It just runs, it's just a chase for some plumbing and a bit of wiring. So as you can see up in there, it doesn't sit on anything, it's just butted up against the wall. So there's another really good indication that this was a non-supporting wall. Just many reasons. So anyways, there you go. The room is looking a lot more bigger. So until next time, stay tuned and we'll show you the next steps.